So basically, we had built a decentralized application which is known as Casio Beta. So basically, this particular application has multiple roles. Come on, so let's start with the first role, which is of basically company role. So first, we select here company and click on next. So basically, we need to enter the company name. Let's write a sample company name in it, and about your company. Basically, a small description about your company, what actually your company does, and then we click on submit. Once we click on submit, it creates an account for a particular company. So basically, currently my MetaMask wallet has been active, and this particular products I had already deployed using this particular address. So once I had been logged in, so basically this particular products were being mapped with this particular address into the smart contracts. So basically, let's have a run through how we can add particular products. So to add products for the review, we need to click on add product, and once you land up in the add product, you need to consider this, like write your statement and avoid the heavy jargon, and all fields are necessary to fill while deploying your application. So let's write a title like sample title, and you can use this particular area to describe how the user will gonna use your product and installation process and the users if there. So basically, use this area to tell about your product, as this is a rich text editor, so you have a freedom to use any kind of formatting which you needed, and the age group which this particular application targets for, and the number of reviews you need in this particular application. And here you need to provide the link where the user can find the application actually, and amount you need to disperse. Basically, the amount you need to disperse to the reviewer of this particular application, basically the person who provides the review over the application, and select the gender. Basically, if your application is a gender based application, like fits for any particular gender type, then you need to select it. And once you click on deploy the this particular it will ask for the transaction. Let's confirm it. So basically, this particular product will be deployed over the Ethereum blockchain network basically. So once it has been deployed, you can head over to the dashboard, and you can see the application, and you can see the basically what you had deployed over the network. So let me just show you this one. This one I had deployed over the network, basically an application that lets you decide what will be the weather today. I had added this with the rich text editor, the link to the product where user can find the product, and here you can add the installation steps and how the product will gonna use. Now come to the product distribution balance. The product distribution balance says the how much balance the company are intended to give the reviewers of the particular product. And basically, this add balance field will not be changeable, and you can't change this balance. And once click on add balance, it will deduct some amount and add that particular balance into the particular product, and which can be given to the reviewers of this particular product. So once it will complete, yeah. So product distribution balance had been will be updated to 100 then. So now let's move on to the user side of this application. Now let's create a Flash login first. I'm just using a random Gmail IDs for a fresh login. So basically, let's first review this particular product. So basically, here is a post about a forecast application whose link to the product can be found here, and the manager is here. So I am a user. I need to review this particular product, as this particular product is of my interest. And while adding a review, user need to fill all these particular five text areas to give the maximum optimized review of this particular product. And once the review has been completed, user need to click on add review. Once clicked on attribute, it will again ask for a confirmation message, as this particular review is being shown, is being stored on the blockchain network actually, and any change to the blockchain network required an interaction with the smart contract. Yeah, and this review has been successfully added with this particular post. Now you can see that this review has been added to this particular post, and any particular random person who just visit this particular post can approve your review if he finds that your review is quite useful. So if the user find if any other user find this review is constructive and contributing enough to the product, then he can approve it. And to approve, he just need to click on this yes button actually. On clicking on yes button, user need to confirm the transaction, and once the confirmation has been provided to the smart contract, it will be approved. And on reloading, we can see that the approve has been increased by one. uh, okay, so now let's jump on to the company side who has added this particular product. So here we had our reviewer who had reviewed this particular product. Now we can incentivize this particular reviewer by writing any amount. We can also rate this particular review by entering the rating over here. Like I'm giving the this review as rating 6, just for the record that how much beneficial this review to this particular product is. Again, it's making a change into the contract. That's why it's taking a little bit more time. Yeah, the review has been rated, and if we reload in, we can see the review label has been updated over this particular review. You can see the review rating label, and we can also reward the reviewer. As I'm currently logged in with the company account, and I have the product distribution balance as 100, so I can reward this particular reviewer any amount which is less than 100 basically. So once I click on reward reviewer, so the reviewer will get rewarded from this particular amount, as this particular amount is being handled by the smart contract, not by the user, as user already had paid the 100 micro ether to the smart contract, and from smart contract we are paying it to the reviewer. Also, I would like to point out the fact that we are saving this particular review over the IPFS network, as we do not want any kind of sole authority or any kind of company to get tampered with this particular review. Yeah, so basically this was our application. Naman, stop the record.